What did I pick up today? I got a D140. It's a 22 horsepower. Can you see in there? Twin cylinder. John Deere, obviously. Customer said it's making a banging noise, and I wonder why. The deck is smashed in, and also they said that it just stopped running and they couldn't get it to run, but I wonder why. There's no vacuum sucking that pump, sucking the fuel, so there's your problem right there. I think I have the solution right here. We're walking. All right, it might take a while to suck the fuel into the... Or not.